Why is my camera bugging? Alright. So I'm gonna anchor the part because I'm gonna use a touch event, and guys, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't programmed since in 2 years. So I'm a beginner. So what I'm teaching you, I just learned. So I'm not gonna have the best explanations, but I will have a visual at the end. So maybe it will make me understand more, and maybe it will make you understand more. So yeah, I'm gonna just just at the part, lift it up in the air and anchor it, because we're gonna have a touch event, and I quite frankly do not know how to get the humanoid of your Roblox character. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. Anyways, add add a script into your part, and we're gonna make a variable. A variable is basically a thing that holds a piece of data, and this data, it can have not you can't have nothing more or nothing less in it. It's just one piece and one piece for all. And yeah, and the reason that's useful because you'll see in a minute. You'll see in a minute. So to start a variable, you have to you have to say local, then name it. So if you're following on, I don't. I encourage you to make a different name for mine. So I'm gonna name my part. Let's name it party. Cause yeah. So local party is the name of my variable. So now you gotta set it to something. So it's like algebra. Cause like you know how x equals like 5. It's kind of like that. So local party equals, I'm gonna set the variable to this part. So script dot parent. So basically this is getting this is getting this script right here and the parent of the script, which is the part, because the part is the parent and the script is the child of the parent. But just to make it more simple and what you'll typically see in the other tutorials, game dot workspace dot not parent, part. And basically the game is the whole game, a workspace, players, lighting, and yada yada yada. Then workspace is what you see on the map. So like let's say you're playing jailbreak, you see that trampoline. I don't know if they still have it. I think they do. You see that trampoline? That trampoline is in the workspace because you can like see it's in the plane, and the part is obviously in the workspace because you can see the part right up here. Oh, yeah, right here. Sorry for the lag. I have the MacBook, but I mean you'll be mostly seeing scripts. So yeah, yeah. Anyways, so local party equals to this part. So now you can change the properties of this part. So I'm gonna do like a quick example. You can copy me if you want. I encourage you. So party party. So you don't have to put local because you're not making a new variable. You're just getting this variable. So you don't have to put local. It's not necessary. So just getting the variable dot size, which is the size of this. So I'm gonna do size equals vector 3. Is it? Wait, hold on. Is it party dot size equals vector? No. Alright, sorry about that, guys. All right, party dot size equals vector 3. You don't really have to follow along. You can skip this part. Then I'm gonna change it by 9 by 9. And then let's see. All right, it's gonna take a while to load. So, yeah, run, and boom, boom. The block has gotten bigger, stronger. So basically, if you didn't have a variable, you would have to do this. Game dot workspace dot part, like doing all of that, where you can just simply just type in party and then Boom. And you say, oh, well, man, I can copy and paste it. But you'll get confused very soon. So, I don't recommend just copying and pasting it and being yeah, I'm not going to say what I'm going to say. So, basically, a variable holds one, just holds, just one piece of data. And, yeah, that's what a variable is. So now let's get to functions. Functions. So you're going to see two types of functions. Not two types, but like two types of starting a function. So you're going to see local function, and you're going to see, oh, well, I don't know. And you're just going to see function. Honestly, I'm going to be honest, I don't know the difference. You can ask ChatGPT for the difference or look on the Roblox forums. But I don't think there's too much of a difference. I'm pretty sure it's how they store data and how the game runs. So I don't know which one is better, but I think local function is better because of that. But I don't know. I'm just gonna use function because Alvin blocks. So start a function, and well, anyways, let me just start the function. Just start a function, type function, then its name. So I'm gonna name fun function. Then parentheses, so you can just type you can type left parentheses, so shift then 9, then right, then you just press enter. Then there's your function. So function is like a variable but like bigger. You can hold multiple lines of code. You can execute that code anytime by calling the function. So basically, here's what we're gonna do on the function. I'm gonna say print sub to JSON dxyx, or else, oh, what the hell, or else he'll leave again for I'm too lazy again for 2 years. Yeah, I mean, you can say anything in the print in this. You can just say anything. Hopefully y'all this will just show up in the output right here. So yeah, I can say that, and I can say I can do other things. I'm gonna change the size of part again, so you can call party right here in the function dot size. You can copy word for word, equals vector 3 dot new. Then let's do 999. Boom. Right. So this function will not run because look. Let me just press run on here, and nothing happens. And you might be wondering why. I mean, I thought it was like I don't know. I thought it would run. You have to call the function because it wouldn't really make sense if this code would just run. Because if this code just ran, it would just kind of mess up everything. Because you want to call this function over and over again. That's what functions are used for. You just want to call it again and again. Call it in certain things, or something happens in the game. I'll show you. Don't worry. So, fun function. This is how you call a function. So type your function name right here. So I name a fun function. You probably name it, I don't know, skibbity dot dot dot. So to call your function, just type the name of the function. Fun function. The boom. It's called. Yep. Boom. It works. Works beautifully. Beautifully. So now I'm going to use an example how you can use a function. It's just a simple example. I'm going to use a touch event. I'll go over events well, not over events. I will go over a touch event in my next video. Then after that video, I'll go over all of the events. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That's why you need to subscribe. And yeah, I won't disappear for 2 years, hopefully. So just, I'm not gonna go too in depth in touch events because I'm gonna make it a video once again. So party dot touch. Just copy me word for word. Don't worry. Connect. Then I'm gonna call this function right here. So I'm gonna delete this because I don't want it to run already. So I'm gonna do that. Delete this. Then put fun function. Boom. It should be called. Hopefully it's called. Let's pray this called because I'm learning with y'all. By the way, I'm beginning as well. Again, for the 15th time. So basically, this line of code is saying if something touched it, anything can touch it. If something touched the part will change. The part will run this. The part will run this function, so it will print this message and it will change in size. So let's see. I'm gonna press play. And yeah, once again, I'm really sorry for disappearing and this laggy flipping computer. Alright, so look. I'm gonna click right here. And yep, yeah, see, it works. I touched the part and the function is running. Help me. Alright, I'm gonna end the game. Let's do this again. So let's make a new part. Right. And change the name of this. Seriously, I'm gonna change it to rename to part 2. So local part 2 equals, and I'm gonna do game.workspace.part 2. So now I made a variable. This variable can only hold one thing, and yeah, only hold one thing. So what I'm gonna do is, after you touch this, well, actually, it will keep running this code. It will be fine. So after this, I'm going to say wait to, then hold on guys. All right. So I have a new variable. Right. And now with this new variable, I want to change the size. When you touch part 1 party, it'll also change this size. So part 2 dot size equals vector 3 dot new equals 999. Alright, so now I am going to... Alright, so where's this part? I'm going to move this part right here. I'm going to press spray. And if this doesn't make sense, I'm really sorry. I haven't made videos in a bit. I mean, there's better tutorials out there. So if you're really looking for a variable tutorial, I mean, yeah. See, look, it changed. It worked, yeah. So now I'm gonna go to the second part of my video, the visualizer. So a face reveal, guys. Face reveal. Ooh. Guys, face reveal. Face reveal. I am the man behind Jason DXYX. Why is this quality trash? Anyways, you notice the audio is way better. Anyways, I'm gonna show you a visualizer of function and variables. The box. So let's begin. So this is our part. Pretend this is our part, right? Game.workspace.part. And you don't wanna keep, spreading the code all over the place, just spamming it. It gets tiring and it gets confusing. It's so crunched together. It's confusing. The code looks confusing. It's just annoying. But if you have a variable, so this is party. Party's not equal to anything yet. Game.workspace is going to be party, local party equals game.workspace.part. So I put this part right here. Boom. Way more organized. It's an organized box, guys. Now it's an organized box. So you can place this box anywhere. I can place it right up here. I can place it right down here. I promise the box is down there. But it's clean and concise. It's amazing. So it will make your code look less messy. See the variables inside. The messy game.workspace.part is inside, but the nice clean variable is outside. So now let's do it with functions. Functions. So now pretend this is a party. So this is the variable. It's nice, but let's say party change the size. So obviously party.size equals victor3.new 999. So this is this code. It's messy. It doesn't really make sense. You don't want to keep spamming that, and you don't want to execute it all the time like that. So party goes right in here. The changing size of party goes right here, and that print message that I put goes right inside the box. So now you have two things inside this function. So now this function can be executed anywhere in any place. So let's say I put on my glasses. Oh, now the function is executed. Now party will change size and it will print the message. Let's say I take off my glasses. The function will execute. That's basically a visualizer of what I said in that video. I'm sorry that doesn't really make sense. It's my first time, but hopefully makes sense. Challenge at the end. So yeah. See y'all later. Hey guys, this is the challenge. I want you to recreate what I've done. So I go over here, touch part. I mean, obviously the original code that we made in the beginning of the video, but it doesn't change this part. But when I touch this part right here, it changes, but it doesn't change at the same time, unlike the beginning of the video. I encourage y'all to try to recorrect this and paste your answer in the comments. And after when I upload my next video, I'll paste my answer in the comments of the last video, if that makes sense. I'll just paste the answer after my next video, basically, if I remember. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for whoever subscribes. Yeah, love you guys. God bless.